Today, in the series of COVID-19, which is especially brought to you by News Karnataka, V4 News, Global TV, Malnadu TV, Organ Donation India Foundation, and GYAN, Dr. Bose is the founder of many pioneering movements and institutions in the field of affordable housing, good governance, science and technology, agriculture, rural development, and education. Dr. Bose, as you know, that in India, we have a culture of Namaskar, Namaste, and Dandvat, Sashtang Pranam, where we are not touching the body of the other person. We are not shaking hands. We have no culture of hugging. So this thing is our tradition and our culture. And this was praised by none other than the Israeli Prime Minister about our greetings with Namaste. And now it has become practice not only for the world leaders, bureaucrats, but the common citizens worldwide. Now, I would like to know your views about this, Dr. Bose, about the culture and the tradition of India.
Thank you, Goel. In fact, the French philosopher M. Taine said, man is a product of time, race, and milieu, which is very correct. In fact, the culture or civilization of a nation decides what its people are. The COVID days has exposed the whole world to the best that is there in Indian culture and traditions. There is a lot of family feelings which guide us. The lockdown has taught us that we had not much difficulty in remaining inside because we were with the family. And the family is the focal point of life as far as an Indian citizen is concerned. Loving the mother, loving the children, loving the parents, the grandparents. I think we have been going back to our history, our tradition. In some stage in our life, we felt that the West is the best. Therefore, the sources of Indian culture and tradition got dried up. It has been opened up. I think India has rediscovered itself. The world has discovered India. And may I say that India may become a military superpower, may become an economic superpower, but India is a cultural superpower. And that has been discovered by the world and accepted by the world. I think this has been a turning back to our culture, back to the roots, back to the basics, which the Corona lockdown days has taught us. And now, in the post-COVID days, India is not going to be what it was before. The world is not going to be what it was before. Education is not going to be what it was before. Slowly but steadily, unknowingly, we have brought back, COVID has brought back the concept of Gurukul, homeschooling. All our children have been learning during the lockdown. We know how to adapt to the modern tools of learning. E-learning has become a part of our educational policy. That is why Government of India has been very quick to respond to that. COVID has really given us a boon because of our early realization of the importance of new technology in imparting learning and the spread of education. Thank you.
Yes, Dr. Bose, and I can add only one thing, that all over the world, Indian doctors or the nurses or the health workers are everywhere. And I'm sure that with the new initiative taken by the Honorable Prime Minister, definitely our country will go to achieve a new heights.